I'm Cathy Holcombe. I have been living for the last 9 years on the road in various Winnebagos. Currently I'm in my second Winnebago Revel, and I'm here at one of my favorite places in the world, Agile Offroad, and I'm going to give you a little walk around of some of the things we've done to make our Revel mine. So I guess let's just start at the front, right? So I love my Light Force lights. These are Light Force Genesis LED driving lights. They're awesome. There's a matching Light Force dual row LED light bar up there. It's a tongue twister. These things just light up the road beautifully. It's I get super excited every time I get to drive in the dark. But underneath here we've got the Agile Offroad hidden winch kit. Gives me 2 full strength tow points, which is really awesome, but hopefully I don't need them that much because I try not to get stuck. But if I do get stuck, I've got the Warn 1200 winch here, and that is something that has helped more other people than myself, but it's definitely been a nice thing to have on board. Under the hood, I have the ARB compressor. I'm a huge fan of airing down. I air down on almost every time I get onto any sort of a dirt road, and it definitely makes your ride quality so much better. It's worth it just for that, but then the flotation and the ability to have better traction is a bonus too. Let's see here, we'll keep working our way around. I switched my wheels out to the Method 703s. I just think they're a really clean, nice looking wheel. And on there I have the Rapid Dump valve stems that I got here at Agile Offroad, and they are a game changer if you're airing down a lot. I can air down faster than almost anybody else. In fact, the last trip I just did, the El Camino del Diablo, we had 3 Revel vans and everybody had a different air down method, and this thing was probably a good 2 minutes faster than everybody else. It's really nice. Underneath here we have the rip kit. I've got the brand new Bilstein struts on there and shocks, so it's a kind of mixture of Fox Racing and Bilstein going on, and it's brand new. I just got that on this trip, but I'm looking forward to testing that out as we go on to Baja. Let's see. Let's look up here. So we do a ton of whitewater kayaking professionally and competitively, and so we're always carrying our kayaks with us. We have 3 on board right now. We're headed down to Baja, so we also have 3 surfboards, but normally we might have a couple more kayaks up there. But this is the stock Revel rack, but I have a prototype fairing on here that allows me to run this light bar. That's kind of different, and it's worked really good, and I wish that everybody could get one, but we'll see how that progresses in the future if that product becomes available. But then on the side, I have, going the whole way around my van, I've got the Rock 40 Light Force lights that are the small little LED proximity lights, and I use these just to light up the back, to light up the sides, and it's really nice having that light when you need it. And then as we move to the back, I've got the 4500 leaf spring on here, and then I also just got the new Fox Racing 2.5 inch shock back there. Looking forward to testing that out. And then they also put on the new double shear shock mount for the rear, and I think that's going to be a really nice addition to beefing something up and just making it a little more bomber than what Mercedes did off from the start. Not that it was bad from the beginning, but now it's even better. And then, I don't know, we move around to the back and we've got a bike rack and a box. We've got our Agile Offroad tire carrier. I've got my, my trash bag that actually has snorkeling gear in it right now because I don't like putting the saltwater stuff in the van. I try to keep it on the outside as much as I can. Max Tracks. I run 4 sets of Max Tracks on the roof. I've set up 1 set of Max Tracks so that it doubles as a walking platform. So I actually use those to stand on and to walk on. And that's been really nice, having everything I carry in the van, having it have multiple purposes and be able to use it for something than just a recovery board. I use it to walk on all the time when I'm loading and unloading surfboards and kayaks. And then, I don't know, we come around here and got more lights. And oh, underneath, I also have the 28-gallon auxiliary fuel tank, and that has been a game changer. I really enjoy that. Coming from from the east to the west. Definitely before we get to California, we buy some of that cheap gas and come across the border, and that's been a really nice feature to have, and it's going to be really handy when we get down to Baja, just to have that extra range. Let's see, I think that's about it for the exterior. I might be missing something, but all this stuff has really treated me well. Everything I've bought from Agile has performed flawlessly and really improved our life on the road. So, thanks so much.